Hi, it's me, Teacher Yolanda. Today we are going to talk about past simple tense, and in this case, related to regular verbs. Remember that we talked in class that there are irregular verbs that change their form, but in this case we are going to talk about regular verbs which are easier. Remember, we only have to add ed or d. In this case, for example, play, played, visit, visited. Irregular verbs are a bit difficult because they change their form, like go, went, leave, left. For example, I played chess today. Hoy jugué al ajedrez. He, she, it played chess today. Él jugó al ajedrez hoy. We, you, they played chess today. Ellos jugaron al ajedrez hoy. Adverbs of frequency, we could say ago, for example, 3 months ago, 3 meses atrás, hace 3 meses, or for example, last Sunday, el domingo pasado, or in 1999, en 1999, or as we saw in these examples, today, or yesterday, or last night. Then we have questions, like here. Did is the auxiliary we use for asking questions, like in the example, did I play chess today? Did she, he, she, it play chess today? Did we, you, they play chess today? For example, did he play chess today? ¿Jugó él al ajedrez hoy? Imagine that he didn't. He didn't play chess today. Él no jugó al ajedrez hoy. This is again the auxiliary, but using the negative form, not. But be careful, the verb doesn't change. El verbo no cambia. I didn't play chess today. He didn't play chess today. We use the infinitive. We didn't play chess today. So it's quite simple. Remember, we worked in class this. We've got here present simple, past simple. Here we have learning to learn. And there is a question, true or false? Read it and we solve this in class. So we'll get the answer in class. Read carefully these examples. But we already did it in class, but it's good for you to revise again. So have a look. And remember that we use the present simple tense and we change for past simple tense. Okay? Past simple tense in affirmative and negative, we use it when we want to talk about actions. We use the past simple tense to talk about actions, things that happen and started and finished in the past. And we usually say when the action happened. For example, yesterday, last month, last summer. And to form the past simple, we add ed to the infinitive, as we saw on the first picture. And the negative with didn't. But remember to have a look at this and we find out the answer in class. Here, again, to form the questions we use did, and the verb again with infinitive. It doesn't change with infinitive. Did you go into the library? Yes, I did. Did we crack the code? No, we didn't. And again, there is here a question, learn to learn. What word do we always need to make a question an answer in the past simple? We'll find out the answer in class, okay? Again, have a look at this at home. You can watch the video as many times you need, and we will discover the answer in class. Remember, we use the past simple in questions and short answers about actions that started and finished in the past. We usually say when the action happened. To make questions in the past simple, we use did, again, did, and the infinitive. And for the short answers, we use did if it is affirmative and didn't for negative. Okay? And here you can have links for you to enjoy and learn more. I hope you like this tutorial and think it is interesting and useful for your learning. Goodbye everyone. Bye bye.